Alright, here we go again. Push this up, push it over, pull down, pull out, remove the shelf. Okay, checking to see if your coil has been frozen up in your refrigerator because of lack of cooling. I've already loosened up some of these screws and make this go a little quicker, but a lot of times you'll see some frost on the back of the freezer, which will let you know that there is an issue with it. On this particular one, there's no frost on the back, but you can see it starting to form on the side when I had started this. But anyways, the first thing you do is start taking some screws out. Phillips head. Then this pushes up and pulls out. You can see, push up, pull out. If you see the fan that blows here, blows the air out and down into the refrigerator. Your cold air for the whole refrigerator and freezer comes from this one place. Now we're going to turn it off so we can take the back panel off and turn it off. Now we're going to take the back 4 screws out. Now this pulls up and pulls out. And as you can see, the coil is frozen up back there. So we're gonna take the rest of this apart so we can clean it. 2 screws here. 1, 2. Pull this part out too. That way everything underneath can be cleaned. But for now, we're going to let this defrost. Okay. Now, you find the screw right here. With a flathead screwdriver, you can turn it till you hear it click. That's when the heater comes on. Then after you get done checking to make sure the heater strip is working, you can turn it again until the refrigerator comes back on. Then you should see it heating up. Okay, I manually set the heater, and as you can see, it's working. And you should see any frost buildup melting like so.